Haining Jianeng Solar Energy Industry Company Limited was established in 2006. It is a professional enterprise engaged in solar energy application, solar energy product development, manufacturing and sales. The company specializes in energy-efficient equipment for hotels, factories, hospitals, schools, and residential buildings. Our production process not only meets ISO 9001 quality and management requirements, but also meets CE requirements, especially heat pipe solar collectors, and is awarded the European Solar Key Mark Certificate EN 12975. We have qualified technicians and professional testing equipment, and welcome customers from all over the world to cooperate with us. The technical aspects of the product continue to improve product quality. Experts participate in various research institutions, customer needs, and through the introduction of foreign technology industries. Based on innovation, dedication, entrepreneurship, and continuous improvement, Haining Jianeng can reposition solar energy to human nature, aiming to create a green, quiet, and beautiful living space. Technological innovation, maintaining development, reputation first, cooperation, and win-win. This is our business principle. We have been working hard to promote green technologies and products to protect the human environment. We focus on quality and price, not only for our own success, but also for your business success. Let us work together to create a better future.